Aloha is always in the water. Diving under the wave, you just see a whole world of light grays and whitewash. Best thing about body surfing is you can show up no matter what beach and there's little waves. Grab your fins, but really you don't need anything. When you catch a wave and you can harness the ocean's energy and catch it all the way to the beach, there's some sort of primal pride that you get. I love body surfing with friends. Everyone's always stoked for each other. I don't think you can have a bad body surf. It's debatably more fun to watch somebody else body surf. Aloha to me means putting somebody else before yourself. It's like a sun radiating light. It's shining aloha on everyone. Their happiness should mean just the same amount as yours.